Hello and welcome. My name is Emmanuel Borowski, the material handling specialist for the Rhino Toolhouse, Ohio Valley region. I'm here today to talk to you about Inpectall and how it can improve your current inspection process. But first, here at Rhino Toolhouse, our mission is to identify and deliver the world's most innovative industrial solutions. We provide superior service, local expertise, and a high degree of responsiveness to empower our customers to build a better quality product, maintain a safe work environment, and be more productive. I wanted to focus on that last part about productivity, since that is what our service allows you to do. But let me ask you a quick question. Does your current inspection process work for you, and is it up to par with available technologies? Second, is your current inspection process efficient and effective at getting results quickly? And third, do you have trouble finding paper copies for compliance purposes? If you've answered yes to any of those questions, then we may have the right solution for you. But before we get started, I wanted to bring some common inspections we may see out in the real world, and that's our check engine light. So it could be something as simple as your gas cap not being tightened all the way, or something more critical as your engine or transmission needing to be replaced. So you may need to take it to the dealer for that inspection. You may take it to a mechanic, or you may try to do that service yourself by going to AutoZone, plugging in the computer, and getting those codes back. And now even newer cars give you diagnostics through an app that connects and interfaces with its touchscreen panels. I know mine does, but a lot of assets in the factory floor don't automatically tell you what services need to have or give you a detailed report. And that brings up to why our services, which are web-based, can be helpful. So Inpectall can identify assets on your plant floor that may require inspections that may have been forgotten due to inefficient paper checklist or not being able to find the proper documentation when it was last serviced. So assets can be anything from bridge crane system, pneumatic or electric chain hoist, air balancers, even our new Doosan collaborative robots. So we inspect everything to make sure those assets are running to the manufacturer specs and that we've looked everything over, so nothing needs to be replaced. And with this service, we can identify your assets on your plant floor that may require maintenance before they fail or go down on your floor. So how do we do this? And here's a service record breakdown. So this was from a customer that we did an inspection before the COVID-19 shutdown. So this was end of February. So as you can see, there's a detailed report with pass fails on certain portions. So the core features of our services are that we organize your assets by your location and area, so you can easily retrieve your old records online or through an app. And then we define custom attributes that tag your asset by serial number, barcode, QR codes, RFID tags, or any number you want to associate and assign to that asset. We can set up reminders for high priority assignments that would need to be completed so those assets don't fail. We also take photos of those assets so they are tied to your report, as you can see here. And then our reporting and analyzing phase. So we can generate powerful instant reports that can be generated to give you on demand before we even leave the job site. So we collect that data and pictures and add comments and instantly identify issues by giving the assets a pass-fail marker on a particular data point. So what is that data point? And that's just something specific attached to that asset. So it could be the wire rope or pendant on an air balancer. So we can set up alerts as well when a priority is identified on an asset. And if an action won't be taken for a few days on that particular asset, an auto email will remind you that it needs a resolution before you can put that asset back into production. So once an action to fix a priority is taken, you can assign a resolution. So then that way you get a timestamp log and by whom it was in your records. You would be able to also see the activity of that from that last user and that what action was taken in that report. So our reporting process is modular, so making it unique for your facility. We tailor it and customize it to your needs before we arrive. So that empowers our technicians to easily and efficiently complete multiple assignments within a day. So in summary, we've discussed how Inpectall services would, one, help your current inspection process with technology already available to you at your disposal. That would be your computer or smartphone. Also, make your current inspection more efficient and effective at getting results quickly. And also declutter your cabinets and make finding reports for compliance purposes faster within our web-based service. So here you can see our map. Sorry, I'm covering up our region, the Ohio Valley region, but that's because it's my video on there. But we have over 60 sales engineers to help you get started and revolutionize your process. So I hope you found this short video helpful. You can find other videos like this on YouTube and LinkedIn. So be sure to check us under Rhino Toolhouse. You can also visit our website at www.rhinotoolhouse.com, or you can email me, and I know this is long, emmanuel.borosky@rhinotoolhouse.com with any questions or concerns. Again, thank you again for stopping in, and we hope to serve you.